Get excited about the 2016 Kia Forte. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.